Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up smart ceiling light strips with Philips Hue. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by unpacking your Philips Hue smart ceiling light strips. Ensure all components are present, including the light strips, power adapter, and the Hue bridge. Find a suitable location on your ceiling for the light strips. Make sure the surface is clean and dry for optimal adhesion. Carefully peel back the adhesive backing on the light strips. Press the light strips firmly against the ceiling, following your desired layout. Connect the light strips to the power adapter. Plug the power adapter into an electrical outlet. Next, locate your Hue bridge. Connect the Hue bridge to your Wi-Fi router using the provided Ethernet cable. Plug in the Hue bridge to a power source. Wait for the lights on the Hue bridge to stabilize. Download the Philips Hue app on your smartphone if you haven't already. Open the Philips Hue app and create an account or log in. Follow the prompts to connect your mobile device to the Hue bridge. Once connected, tap the plus icon in the app to add your light strips. Select light strip from the list of device types. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process for the light strips. Customize your light settings, including colors and brightness. Explore different scenes or routines to enhance your lighting experience. Test your light strips by adjusting them via the app. Enjoy your newly set up Philips Hue Smart Ceiling Light Strips. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.